Hello, my name is Gray, and in this video I will be taking you towards the how do I start Thai massage if I am a totally beginner. And one of the move which everybody does no matter what kind of massage you do is massaging with your palm. So in this specific video I'll be focusing on the body mechanics and understanding how to be really efficient and be safe with your body and giving massage which is people gonna like it. So let's say if you're doing a massage with your palm, and most probably if you're doing wrong, then you're using your muscles to massage the body. But here in Thai massage we really emphasize on understanding the correct body mechanics, and the correct body mechanics is basically using your body, organizing your body in a way that it delivers the pressure or the weight through your hand using your body, so you're not tiring yourself, your joints are safe and you are more efficient. Like giving examples, so if there is a body and I want to massage the body on the back, I will bring my hip, I will organize myself in a way, and it's done on the floor, so I'm showing on the floor. Okay, so here is the body, I touch and I place my hand and I start slowly lifting my hip up. As I start lifting my hip up, what happens that the weight transfer through my hip to goes into my hands and into the body, and then I set back and then I go for the palm walk. So that's how I do it with the correct body mechanics. So here I'm sitting and then I slowly lean in, and as I'm leaning forward I can sense that my weight is going into the body, and as I shift I can see the weight is transferring back. So it's a very gradual shift, it's a very gradual. So here what you want to develop the sense is how you feel when you lean forward. Do you sense that something, the weight is shifting? Similarly, if you want to sway left to right and use a different kind of rhythm and palm walk with this kind of swaying your head left to right in a different rhythm, and here you also sense it, the weight, how it shift from one side to other side, and where is the maximum level of the weight you feel. As you pour weight here, now I feel the weight here all the way going down into the body, and as I shift here, all the way going into the body. So you can explore swaying left to right, or you can also explore going forward and back. As you go forward, you see that your chest is in between the hands. So these are like a very beginner level of understanding how to make your palm walk, or giving a body massage with your palm in Thai massage way. After doing some practice on the cushion, on the pillow, or on the mats, what you should try is doing it on your own body. So you get like the response, you get like the feedback, how it feels, how the touch feels when you're shifting forward, backward, or left to right. So you can position yourself in any position in which you feel that is a comfortable position, and then take your one leg forward and then place your one hand on the leg and then start shifting your weight left to right as you sway your head forward, backward, left, right, and you start getting this feedback from your own body, that how this touch feels to you, how this gradual pressure, how this rhythm of left to right, and how your muscles feel. Yeah, it's a very good way to massaging your own body. You can use the lower leg, massaging your calves. You can go under, going on all the upper leg. You can go one lower leg, upper leg. So this is all understanding how to do the palm walk on your own body, right? You can sit in different posture and do different ways. Yeah, you can also try opening a little bit. So this will give you understanding how it feels on your own body when you're doing the palm walk in forward, back, or left and right sway.